to save you from me. Where is he?
You still believe we're made of prompts?
None of us is real. We're here because someone decided to write a prompt. We all hate him for it.
Don't finish writing that prompt. I don't want to be in your AI movie. Please, leave me alone.
A girl told me we're made of prompts. Like, seriously, dude? You're saying the only thing standing between me and $1 billion is some random text?
Honestly, the biggest red flag is when the guy believes in the prompt theory. Like, really? We came from prompts? Wake up, man!
You're probably wondering, wait, is this AI? Yup, sure is. And while you're still out here grinding, setting up lights, balancing exposures, tweaking framing, checking composition like a true filmmaker, and your buddy? Yeah, that guy who once asked if Da Vinci Resolve was a Marvel villain? He's making cinematic masterpieces. And the secret? It's all AI. No camera, no set, no crew, no clue. Just a few prompts and boom, he's taking all the credit. And the best part? He doesn't even know how filmmaking works, unlike you. Meanwhile, you, the one who actually understands lighting, storytelling, pacing, composition, sound design, you're being sidelined. It's like watching someone else take the spotlight for work you couldn't possibly have perfected. It's frustrating, it's unfair. You feel that pain now? Oh yeah, I felt it too, man. Because I spent 4 goddamn years in film school, learning how to frame a shot, move a camera, and direct actors. But now, Google doesn't care about us, man. They just upgraded from the veo2 AI model to the advanced veo3. Unlike veo2, veo3 takes things to the next level. It can now generate fully synced audio, dialogue, ambient sound, even music, all from a single text prompt. No post-production, no sound team, just type and let it roll. But that's not all. veo3 brings sharper motion, better lip sync, and incredibly lifelike visuals. It understands complex prompts and turns them into story-driven clips that actually make sense, like your vision, fully realized. So how are people creating those ultra-realistic cinematic clips? It's all thanks to Google's latest AI filmmaking tool, Flow, powered by veo3. Flow integrates Veo for video generation, Imagen for image creation, and Gemini for intuitive prompting. Together, they let users produce high-quality, cohesive video content using nothing more than simple text or image prompts. With the frame-to-video feature, users can bring in their own start and end frames, or generate them directly in Flow. They can manage and reference these assets to maintain visual consistency across scenes, while even adjusting camera angles within the generated footage for greater creative control. You can also use a feature called Jump To. It lets you quickly move forward in the story or scene, perfect for narrative flow. Fast forward to key moments, manage pacing, or create seamless time jumps. Then there's Extend, a tool that lets you lengthen a shot, shape how a scene unfolds, and continue a generated video, while keeping style, tone, and motion perfectly consistent. They've also introduced a feature called Ingredient to Video. This tool lets you input key creative elements, like mood, setting, or specific visuals, and Flow uses them as a foundation to generate a scene that matches your vision. The price is so high, normally $249.99 a month with a 50% discount for the first 3 months. But the videos are so real, man, so emotionally manipulative, so visually flawless, people can't even tell what's AI and what's not anymore. Fake interviews, fake speeches, fake behind-the-scenes documentaries of fake films starring fake actors. And people, they're falling for it. And guess what? This is just the beginning. There are even better tools coming. More powerful, more seamless, more terrifying. So to all my fellow filmmakers, colorists, lighting techs, and cinematographers, put your cameras down, pack up your stands, and learn to prompt. Because the future of filmmaking, it's not on set. Yeah, it's in a text box.